Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Asana project status with timeline views. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Asana project. Navigate to the project you want to verify. Locate the timeline option in the project menu. Click on timeline to enter the timeline view. Observe the Gantt chart layout that appears. Review the timeline for task start and end dates. Check for overlapping tasks to ensure proper scheduling. Identify any tasks that are marked as overdue. Examine dependencies between tasks for better insights. Click on a specific task to see detailed information. Verify any assigned team members for accountability. Adjust task dates or details as necessary. Use the zoom feature to get a broader or more detailed view. Take note of milestones within your project timeline. Ensure all project phases are visually represented. Finalize your review by confirming that all tasks are accounted for. Exit the timeline view once you have gathered the necessary information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.